Describe a cafe you like to visit. The cue cards about eating and drinking are always interesting, isn't it? So, hi everyone, welcome back to CIC Talks. I have brought you one more cue card today, and which is about describing a cafe you like to visit. So, in this cue card, you have to simply explain about your favorite coffee shop, and what you need to say is first is where it is, what kind of food and drink it serves, what do you do there, and explain why you like to go there. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I have few selected coffee shops that I would always love to visit. But there's one particular cafe that I like to talk about today. Well, my favorite place to refresh my mind would be none other than Starbucks Cafe. Where it is? This cafe is at the central side of Elante Shopping Complex, Chandigarh. Actually, I have been to Starbucks a few times in Delhi as well as Mumbai. And as far as ambience and seating is concerned, Starbucks Chandigarh is a 5 out of 5. The place is located within hailing distance from my office, so going there was never a problem anyway. And what kind of food and drink it serves? Their food and drinks are really scrumptious. Their handcrafted beverages such as Frappuccino, Espresso, Tivana tea, cold brew, they let you travel around the world. And this is because most of their ingredients are imported, like syrups either come from Australia or Malaysia, caramel from Britain, chocolates from Netherlands, etc. And furthermore, the sandwiches and wraps they serve, they create a delightful mix of unique Indian flavors. And what you do there? Like whenever I go there, which is mostly often, the first thing I do is to order double cocoa coffee. It's my favorite. Then I call my friends to see if somebody could come by and join me in my pleasure. Also, how could I forget the free Wi-Fi, which I mostly use to post my selfies on Instagram and Facebook? And explain why you like to go there. Unlike other local coffee shops in the vicinity of my neighborhood, the atmosphere at Starbucks is extremely tranquil and serene, which greatly lives up to my expectation. I love their lively ambience that bring bricks to life. The cafe gives me a certain degree of peacefulness and calmness, especially during nerve-wracking times like exams and project assignments. So in the end, I would just like to tell you that there is certain charm about the place that would make anyone a coffee addict. And this is about the cue card. Now let's talk about the follow-ups. The first one is what kind of people would like to go to a cafe? Nowadays, cafes are far more than a tea or coffee. They have an expansive menu with so many items for each and every one of us. So I think all kinds of people could visit a cafe. And moreover, I have also seen people going to a cafe just to use their free Wi-Fi. Second is, why do young people like studying in a cafe instead of at home? I think it's because of the ambience that suits young people. Moreover, in home there is continuous drumbeat of distractions. So adults like me, they prefer to study in a coffee shop rather than at home. And the third follow-up is, do old people like to drink coffee? I believe age is not even a deciding factor here, because both young and old people like to drink coffee. Personally speaking, my grandfather is a huge fan of black coffee. And last follow-up is, do Indian people like to drink coffee? Yes, obviously Indians are die-hard fan of coffee. In fact, they also owned brands such as Cafe Coffee Day in the past. Although tea dominates Indian market, but coffee is finding its feet slowly and gradually into the Indian landscape. And that's everything around this cue card for now. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to write down in the comments. And I really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please support our efforts. So thank you very much for watching this video.